Mastering French Door Decor, a comprehensive guide to stylish blinds and privacy solutions. French doors are a beautiful and timeless addition to any home, providing an elegant transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. However, finding the right blinds and privacy solutions for these doors can be challenging. In this video, we will explore various types of blinds suitable for French doors, discuss installation tips, and offer alternative ideas for privacy solutions. Can you put blinds on French doors? Yes, you can. Various window treatments, such as cellular shades, Roman shades, shutters, and woven wood shades, work well with French doors. However, it is important to consider the depth of the blinds and how they will function with the door handles. What blinds are suitable for French doors? Roller blinds, Roman blinds, panel glide blinds, aluminium Venetian blinds and honeycomb blinds are all great for French doors. Do roller blinds work on French doors? Roller blinds work perfectly in French door applications. Their slimline fit and linkability create a sleek and uniform look when drawn open or rolled up. They provide excellent insulation while still letting in natural light, and their raised mechanism ensures that the window remains accessible if needed. There are also plenty of choices for fabrics, with sun-reflective materials offering added protection from UV rays. Are day and night blinds suitable for French doors? Yes, day and night blinds can be used for French doors. The blinds come in transparent PVC, fabric, bamboo and aluminium materials. Day and night blinds offer a unique design feature with 2 layers of horizontal slats that move side by side to adjust the level of light coming through the window. This type of blind divides into 2 panels which can be pulled up or down depending on how much privacy is desired. Can you have wooden blinds on French doors? Yes, you can have wooden blinds on French doors, but consider shallow blinds with an outside mount that does not cover handles or locks when choosing a window treatment. Wooden blinds are popular for their elegance and natural feel, but 1-inch variations are best because of their lower profile. 2-inch wood or faux blinds can also be used, yet they may attract more heat and warmth when stained darkly. One of the greatest disadvantages is that wooden blinds cannot be used in high humidity areas, like bathrooms, kitchens, or laundry rooms. Long-term exposure to humidity can cause warping and fading of real wood, making them more difficult to raise and lower as they tend to be heavy. Other considerations when deciding if wooden blinds might be right for you include their cost. They typically cost more than plastic or vinyl counterparts. Can you drill into a French door? Yes, it is possible to drill into a French door. Homeowners need to drill and cut openings in these doors before installing blinds. For drilling blinds into French door frames, all you need is a 1/8-inch drill bit, 1/4-inch driver, and 1/4-inch screws no longer than 1 foot, or you will go through the door and out the other side. If you want to hang curtains on French doors without drilling holes, alternatives such as magnetic rods or quick hang brackets are available. Other methods include tension rods, adhesive mounting strips, command hooks, fabric loops, high-strength tape, no-drill blinds for UPVC windows. What are no-hole blinds? No-hole blinds, also known as rootless blinds, are window coverings with no holes in their slats. Instead of having roots for lift cords to pass through the slats, they have grooves on the back of the slats where lift cords settle to hold the slats in place. Do built-in blinds break? They can break over time like any product. Common problems with built-in blinds include broken or bent slats, broken strings, and tangled cords. However, integral blinds often last as long as the window frames. Some even come with 10 or 20-year warranties. How do you fix blinds inside French doors? The operating mechanism that raises and lowers the blinds may become disengaged from the magnets. To fix this issue, place the operator at the bottom and slowly move it up along the track until it engages with the magnets. Additionally, dust buildup in the operator track should be cleaned off regularly to prevent future problems. For French doors with integrated blinds embedded inside dual glass panes, repairing or fixing them can be challenging as they must be disassembled to access them. Do you put blinds or curtains on French doors? Depending on preference, blinds and curtains can be used on French doors. Some popular options include curtains, Roman shades, shutters and draperies. How do you cover French glass doors for privacy? The most common way is to add curtains or drapes in various materials and colors, enabling customization to match existing decor. Shears are an ideal option if slight privacy is desired. Wooden blinds also look great and provide a warm natural appearance, easily complemented by existing furnishings. Unlike curtains, there is no need to install a rod, as brackets on either side of the door will suffice. What can I use instead of curtains on French doors? You can use cellular shades, wood blinds, bamboo shades, curtains fitting glass, Roman, vertical shades and draperies hung from ceiling track. Can you put Roman shades on French doors? Roman shades can be installed on French doors for an elegant and practical look. They are a great way to add color and softness to French doors while allowing for optimal privacy and light control. Roman shades come in various fabrics, colors, and textures, so there is something to suit any decor, and they are budget-friendly and easy to install. Can you put plantation shutters on the French door? Plantation shutters offer an elegant window solution for any space, including French doors. With several options available for motorization, tilt control, frame design, and size variations, one can customize their plantation shutter look to suit their individual needs.